Are you up for a little hypnosis today? Join me in the coming minutes as you take some time for yourself to relax. Today I'm guiding you through an experience that is called the control room. The control room of the mind is often used in a hypnotherapy setting. It proves very useful for pain management or anxiety, as you can turn the sensations you experience down. Yet it also can be used to enhance positive and empowering emotions, such as confidence. Its use can be extended to any kind of issue: weight, emotional eating, any urge or compulsion, negative thinking. It can be very helpful for all sorts of behaviors, habits, responses that you either want to decrease, reinforce, or increase. It's a very empowering technique because you can experience firsthand being literally in control of your own sensations and emotions. Using the control room doesn't require you to be able to visualize as if you are watching a 3D blockbuster movie, for example. Some people just can't really see anything. But in one way or another, they can get a sense, an idea, a feeling, some sort of knowing. And that is absolutely sufficient. However you imagine something, it's your unique way to imagine it. It's how your mind operates. Everyone is different and has their own personal world inside. Your subconscious mind can't tell the difference between what reality is and what simply is imagined. It is one of the main principles hypnotherapy uses, and it's one of the human superpowers, the imagination. If you often feel anxious about something, for example, you will know that you play the worst possible outcomes up and down in your mind. Yet none of those scenarios are actually happening in that very moment, if ever. Your imagination gives you the illusion of a reality that is not there, and yet we still can feel it as if it was real. Therefore, it is very powerful to use your imagination in a constructive and useful way instead, as we will do here today. The control room, as you will learn it here, will guide you through life and whenever you need it, for whatever challenge that presents itself. You can just take a time out, relax a little, and visit your specific control room in your mind, where you can turn the dials or levers, whatever shows up, either down or up, as you please, making adjustments and helpful changes. I'm Christine Philipp. I'm a hypnotist and mind coach, helping people to overcome anxiety and self-doubt so they can restore their happiness with ease and confidence and fall in love with life again. So before we begin, pick a sensation or emotion you would like to change, decrease or increase. May it be you're feeling a bit on edge or a bit tense right now, maybe angry, or maybe you were just about to eat that one piece of chocolate too much because you craved some satisfaction. Maybe you would like to feel a little bit stronger, positive, or confident now. Pick what is important for you right now and give it a rating from 1 to 10. 10 being that sensation on the very top, 1 being, I can't feel it at all. Have it? Okay, so get ready for our little journey and make yourself comfortable and allow your eyes to close when you feel ready. And begin already to feel the peace around you as you allow any thoughts to be released from your mind. Breathe in calm air and breathe away any tension or anxiety. This is it's your time to find peace within you. Nobody wanting anything from you. Nobody expecting anything from you. And absolutely nothing whatsoever for you to do except to relax and take in that peaceful feeling. Give your conscious mind the permission that it needs to rest, just for now, just for a little while. Allow any thoughts to drift away. Allow them to just be gently blown out of your mind, clearing it, leaving your mind peaceful, calm, and free. Any outside sounds that you will hear will add to your relaxation as they gradually fade into the background. Allow your mind to drift. Allow your body to rest and relax. And my voice will travel with you wherever your mind goes. And as you relax there, concentrate for a moment or two on the muscles of your face. All those tiny muscles that you use to make a smile say so much to those around you. Think about those muscles now. And then allow them to become slack and expressionless. No need for you to show any emotion at all. Let your face just be. And allow those tiny muscles around your eyes to become soft. And see how good that feels. As you allow that same feeling to be felt by all the other muscles in your face. Your cheeks, mouth, and jaw muscles all becoming beautiful, easy, devoid of any tension. Even your tongue. Just allow that to rest. Allow your shoulders to drop into the surface beneath you. And feel how secure that is. And keep that relaxed feeling in your body as you feel it move all the way down into your chest. All tension in the chest area simply drifts away and your breathing becomes so much easier. Feel that wonderful feeling as it passes through the muscles of your stomach into your hips and thighs. A wave of relaxation sweeping over you with such ease. The relaxation moves into the large muscles on either side of your spine. Those muscles that are so efficient in giving you the correct posture when you stand or walk or sit. Allow those muscles to rest just for now. You are finding some time to be at peace. Enjoy this time of peace. Feel the calm relaxation move into your knees, your calves, your ankles, along the arch of each foot and the sole of each foot, all the way down to the tips of your toes. All the parts of your body beautifully relaxed and lazy. Enjoy this wonderful feeling of peace and stillness. Time to just be. Your thoughts. Time to relax. Time to unwind and find ease. And slowly you see a golden healing light envelop your body, keeping you safe and warm. Allow this light to gently scan your body. Any lasting tension that it finds evaporates away as the light shines over it, keeping you safe and secure. And notice how your breathing is slow, regular, and controlled. You feel calm and peaceful. And now you're so relaxed, I want you to imagine that you are entering the control room of your mind. I don't know what it looks like, but your mind knows. look around and notice what your room looks like. Is it warm or cold in there? Is it big or small? Dark or bright? All around the room are controls. And these are the controls of your body. And there's a control for everything. And the controls may be dials or levers or whatever your mind chooses. And they are all leveled in some way. And there might be a lever for anxiety somewhere, or one for more confidence, or perhaps one for peace and calm. Do you have a dial for anger, sadness, or pain? Move around your room and have a look. Check in your very own time if they are at the correct level. And if it needs some adjustment somewhere, if there are any out of sync, see if you can get them back where they should be. And you might need to move some more up or down, or to the left side, or to the right side. Make sure you fix them in the correct place in a way that it feels safe, good, and comfortable for you. And when you're ready, and you have checked and everything is as it should be, you can leave your control room, knowing that you can come back here anytime you choose to make sure that everything is exactly as it should be. And before you open your eyes, I want you to take a moment to begin to imagine how your day, your evening, or your night will be. Now that all your dials and levers are in their place and you feel relaxed. Thinking about where you will be, the things you will do, the people that will be around you perhaps, watching yourself in that moment. And imagine that experience from beginning to the end, perhaps like a little movie. Or maybe there's just an image or a feeling popping up for you. That's fine. And then when you're ready, and you have finished thinking about your upcoming day, evening, or night, you can slowly open your eyes, feeling wonderfully peaceful and calm. That's right. Take a deep breath in and breathe out. And give your body a nice stretch. Wonderful. Well done. And now looking back to the beginning of this video, I asked you to rate the feeling that you wanted to either increase or decrease. Check in with yourself now. Just take a moment and rate it again. How is it different now? And you can share it, of course, in the comments if you like. It would be really lovely for me to know. And if this video was useful for you, leave it one of those thumbs up, share it with others that can benefit from it. Subscribe to the channel, hitting the notification bell to always stay updated when a new video arrives. And that's it for today. Have a lovely day. Bye for now.